learners. Today we will discuss the topic of conditional sentences and we will exemplify these sentences in detail. These sentences often occur in matriculation, first year and second year exam. I hope we will learn the concept of these sentences. Let's learn and exemplify these. Let's explain the conditional sentences in detail. Basically, there are four types of condition: zero condition, first condition, second condition, and third condition. In conditional sentences, there are two parts of sentence or two clauses of sentence. Conditional sentence describe the condition or situation, and in the second part of sentence there is description of result of this condition, the result of this cause or situation. So first part deals with condition or situation and second part deals with result. In zero condition, there is description of general truths, universal truth, and general habits. First part deals with if and present, and second part also deals with simple present. In first condition, now we are having the discussion of important conditions: first condition, second condition, and third condition. In first condition, in the first part of sentence, we will make use of if and first form of verb. And in the second part, we will use will plus first form of verb. In the second condition and first part of sentence, we will use if and past. We mean second part of sentence, second form of verb. And in the second part of sentence, we will use would along with first form of verb. In the third condition, in the first part of third condition, if we will use if plus had and third form of verb. In the second part of sentence, we will use would have and third form of verb. For example, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. Now first condition, if and first form of verb. In the second part, we will use will and first form of verb. Will and first form of verb. If it rains, we will cancel the trip. In the second condition, if it rained, if plus second form of verb. If plus second form of verb. In the second part of sentence, we will use would plus first form of verb. Would plus first form of verb. If it rained, we would cancel the trip. In the third condition, if plus had and third form. If it had rained, if plus had and third form. Would have and third form. We would have cancelled the trip. Would have cancelled. Would have and third form. We would have cancelled the trip. Now, we will discuss the common mistakes occurred in these types of sentences. For example, if it rained, this is a second condition. If plus second form of verb. We had cancelled the trip. This is the wrong sentence. We would cancel the trip. Second condition deals with if plus second form of verb. Would plus first form of verb. Would cancel. If it rained, we would cancel the trip. Another mistake, if you had studied, had plus third form. If had plus third form, this is third condition. Next part of sentence requires would have and third form. You will pass. This will be mistake. You would have passed. You would have passed. This will be correct. If you had studied, you would have passed. If you feel that your concept is clear, then kindly share this video to your classmates and colleagues so that they may also learn this concept of conditional sentences.